This isn't a flimsy piece of tech, it's a tool designed to handle the real world. Picture this, a rugged smartphone, compact yet tough, with night vision, a glare flashlight, 5G speed, and incredible storage, all packed into one. Right out of the box, the Armor X32 Pro makes a statement. The packaging is solid and minimalistic, a device built for more than just casual use. As you lift the phone out, you immediately feel its dense, confident weight in your hand. Inside the box, you'll find the essentials: an 18-watt fast charger, a sturdy USB-C cable, a pre-applied screen protector, a SIM ejector pin, and even a lanyard for extra security. The first thing you notice about the phone itself is the rugged one-piece construction. The reinforced corners and textured grip panels make it feel like it could survive a drop from your pocket onto concrete without flinching. Featuring a 5.65-inch HD plus IPS display at 90Hz refresh and up to 600 nits brightness, it's snug in your hand and smooth to scroll. You get a 64-megapixel Sony IMX6682 main camera, a 25-megapixel IR night vision shooter, and a 2-megapixel macro lens for close-ups, plus a crisp 16-megapixel front camera for selfies. It runs on a 5,500 mAh battery, good for up to 300 hours standby, 30 hours talk time, and 10 hours video playback. The built-in glare flashlight doubles as your emergency torch, super handy outdoors. Powered by a Dimensity 63005G chip, it handles multitasking easily. You get 8GB RAM plus up to 8GB virtual RAM and 256GB storage, expandable via microSD up to 2TB. You also get 5G, Wi-Fi, NFC, plus full satellite navigation with GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS, IP68/IP69K, and MIL-STD-810H ensure this phone stands up to dust, drops, water, even extreme temperatures. Perfect for fieldwork, biking, or camping trips. Pros: compact yet rugged design, infrared night vision, solid battery with built-in flashlight, full 5G and navigation suite. Cons: modest 5,500 mAh battery, no megacell, 8GB RAM only, though extendable. Display is HD+, not FHD. To sum it up, the Ulefone Armor X32 packs rugged toughness in a compact form, night vision, good battery life, 5G, and real outdoor tools. Great for adventurers on the go, or anyone who wants more than just a phone. Would you carry this rugged buddy on your next trip? Let me know in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay rugged.